Namaste students. In this video, we are going to see exercise 8.4, fifth problem in that first subdivision sum. Okay. Cosecant theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. You have to prove that both are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. So what we are going to do here means I'm going to take LHS and bring this LHS to RHS. Okay. For that, first you have to write the formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second identity, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. And then tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. First write all the three identities, and then first I'm going to take LHS. LHS, that is cosecant theta minus cot theta the whole square. Here we don't have any square, so we can't apply any trigonometric identities. Instead of that, we can apply the reciprocal and then cot theta, cos theta divided by sin theta. That only I am going to apply. The formula is cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. And cot theta, we can write it as cos theta divided by sin theta. Clear, children? First you have to write the identity and see which one you can apply here. If you can't apply anything means you can, if you can apply like this means you can apply. Clear? So instead of cosecant theta, 1 divided by sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta the whole square. Now take LCM. What will be the LCM? Sin theta. So take sin theta as common and 1 minus cos theta the whole square. Clear? Take the square for the numerator and denominator separately. That 1 minus cos theta the whole square divided by sin theta the whole square. Take the square separately. And then see the numerator 1 minus cos theta the whole square and see the RHS 1 minus cos theta here we have. So we got our numerator. Just we have to simplify this denominator alone to get the answer. So keep the numerator as it is, 1 minus cos theta the whole square. So this sin theta the whole square will be sin square theta. Instead of sin theta, what we have here? Cos. Sin and cos. So which identity we can use here? Here we have square, sin square theta. So we can apply the trigonometric identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. I am going to take that identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here we have sin square theta. So keep the sin square theta in the left hand side and remaining things you have to shift it to the right hand side. 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of sin square theta, what we can apply? 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta the whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. But here we have 1 plus cos theta only, not 1 minus cos square theta. So still we have to simplify the denominator. Think that how we can simplify. Yes, we can simplify by algebraic formula, that a square minus b square. A square, 1 we can write as 1 square, no? 1 square minus cos square, that is b square. So a plus b and a minus b. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to cos theta. Okay, so what is the answer? What will be the answer? 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta the whole square divided by that is a. 1 plus cos theta, then 1 minus cos theta. A square minus b square. Clear? So we can cancel 1 minus cos theta and here 1 minus cos theta because we have 2 no square. So we can cancel 1. The remaining is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So we got our RHS. We got our RHS. Therefore, cosecant theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. We proved. Clear all of you? First write all the 3 identities, and if you have anything in square means we can apply the identity. Otherwise, see any reciprocal ratios we can apply here, and tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. If anything you have like that means you can apply. Okay, and then simplify this by using algebraic formulas and then get your answer. Are you all clear, children? Namaste, students. Next, in exercise 8.4, fifth, in that second subdivision problem. Cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. This is LHS and this one is RHS. I'm going to take the LHS first. LHS is equal to cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Here we don't have any square, so we can't apply the trigonometric identities here. You have to simplify and then only we can apply the trigonometric identities. Before that, for all the problems, you have to write the identity side. Clear? First, identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Then tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. And these are the algebraic identity we are going to use to solve the problem. Clear? To prove the problem. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Clear, Kanna? Okay. Now you have to simplify this one. For that we have to take a LCM. Here we have plus sign in between the two terms. So I'm going to draw the bracket. Take a LCM. What is the LCM here? LCM is equal to 1 plus sin A and cos A. This is a LCM. Take LCM, that 1 plus sin A and cos A. Here we don't have cos A. No, we have 1 plus sin A compared with the LCM. Here we don't have cos A in the denominator, so we have to multiply by cos A in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Into cos A into cos A. Clear? Here we don't have 1 plus sin A. So that I am going to multiply to the numerator as well as to the denominator. So cos into cos is cos square. We got square. Cos square A plus 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. So we have a two terms, the square, right with the square, that 1 plus sin A the whole square divided by cos A 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A. Clear kana? So now I am going to apply algebraic identity, that A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. This identity I am going to apply. Clear? So what is the value of A here? That is 1. What is the value of B? Sin A. Clear kana? So now cos square A plus 1 square is 1 only. So 1 square sin square A plus 2 into 1 into sin A. A square plus B square plus 2AB divided by cos A 1 plus sin A. Then cos square A plus 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A divided by cos A 1 plus sin A. Clear? So here we have square and here also we have square. We can combine this two, cos square A plus sin square A. Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So instead of sin square A plus cos square A, I can apply 1. Clear? So which formula you are going to use here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This formula only we are going to apply for this two. Okay. So 1 plus this 1 plus 2 sin A divided by cos A 1 plus sin A. Clear kana? So this is a whole number and this one also whole number. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 sin A divided by cos A 1 plus sin A. We can take the 2 outside here. If we take means what we will get? 1 plus. If we take a 2 outside means what we will have here? 1. 1 plus sin A divided by cos A 1 plus sin A. Here in the numerator we have 1 plus sin A and in the denominator also we have 1 plus sin A. So we can cancel that one. So the remaining is 2 by cos A. 2 by cos A. What we have to prove? That 2 secant A. We have to prove 2 secant A. How we will get 2 secant A? This is the cos is the reciprocal of secant. If it is goes up means we can write secant, that 1 by cos A is equal to secant A. That is reciprocal of secant. Cos is reciprocal of secant. Secant is reciprocal of cos. We can write like this. Clear? So 2 secant A. So we proved RHS. Clear? Hence proved. So first simplify by using these three trigonometric identities and algebraic identities. Clear kana? Thank you.